Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this recipe which is going to help enhance hair growth, prevent premature graying, and treat dandruff. So if you want to see all of this, keep on watching. So I wanted to share with you that I got this from the local market here. It's usually tied like this for 100 naira, I think. So it is called Kenenperi here in Nigeria. I went to a local Nigerian market, so it's called Kenenperi, but of course in English it's called cloves. So cloves are the dry buds of the flowers of the evergreen clove tree. They are considered to be a popular spice in India. This is used to enhance the flavor of food, and it also benefits hair, health and skin in general. Clove is rich in antiseptic, antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Clove is a powerhouse of health benefits. It has been used for centuries in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine to cure various diseases. So this ingredient has like this strong aromatic smell which I really love. So what I did was to pour hot boiling water in this jar, and I went ahead to like measure 2 tablespoons of cloves into the jar. Okay, so I'm going to just stir everything just to mix everything well, mix it together, and I'll be allowing that to sit. But this is how it's looking now that I just stirred it. So the color is not yet that vibrant. So if you cannot get the cloves on Amazon, you can get it from your local markets. It is sold in your local market where they sell spices. That's where you're going to get this Kenenperi. Just ask them for Kenenperi or cloves. Some people may not understand the name cloves, so just ask for Kenenperi, especially if you live here in Nigeria. So this is after 1 day, and this is how the clove is looking.
So this is how the color is looking like. Can you see that there's a difference between the one we did yesterday and today's own? I mean, the color is really concentrated. It is so dark, and even the cloves have really settled to the bottom of the jar, as opposed to yesterday's own where they were floating on top of the jar as well as at the bottom of the jar. So I'm going to be transferring this mix into my spray bottle. Of course, I'm going to be using my sieve to transfer this mixture seamlessly so I can really take the cloves away from the water, you know. So one thing I noticed about this is, without even opening this clove water, I mean, this smell is so strong, and it's not a bad smell, guys. It's really so sweet. I love it. And do you guys notice how it's looking like Coke? But no, it's not Coke, it's cloves, guys. So yeah, so if you've watched up until this point, please go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up, because that helps me out a lot on my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're interested in seeing more of these videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside it so you can be notified whenever I drop this kind of videos. So this is how it's looking now. I really love this, and I recommend that you use this like twice a week to see results.